Today is going to be intense. You know how you know it's going to be an intense day? When you find yourself working from the treadmill just to get your 30 minutes in. Well, day 2,491 done. The beautiful thing is while I was walking, I was able to respond to every single comment inside my community. Oh wait, I still have to tell you why today is such a hectic day. Today is the first live session for AI Powered, a workshop that I'm doing for a group of 82 entrepreneurs from Sint Maarten. I'm excited about it, but there's one problem. Well, not a problem, one opportunity. You see, AI Powered has primarily been built around using Claude and using that to build systems in your business and having it do things for you and all that good stuff. But here's the thing, whenever I do a cohort like this, I give them an AI audit. And I ask them what tools they use when it comes to AI. And look at the responses. I don't know if you can see that, but what it says is 89% of them use ChatGPT and 22% of them use Claude. You see the problem? Now, it's not a problem. It's an opportunity. It's not an issue. But what it means is that I have to rework some of how I teach what I'm teaching. So I gotta get that done. I gotta edit a video for the previous cohort that I have to post. And it's just like a lot of moving pieces. And that's exciting. Let's go. Got a whole lot done. Now it's time for some food. We're going to Chipotle. Whew, that was a nice, good ride. I decided to do this today because I didn't want to make anything. With everything that I gotta get done, I figured I might as well just do this and be done. Ooh, but now I'm sweaty. That's the only downside. Florida is hot. I'm gonna change when I cool down because this is too much sweat. I got my high protein bowl here with about 48 grams of protein, I think. That's pretty good. And now we eat and work. All right, we are all set for today's workshop. I've got my slides here. They're looking great, designed by Claude Design. And I'm just excited. This is gonna be an amazing workshop. I have everything reworked for ChatGPT, and we're just gonna have a good time. And I'm looking forward to helping these business owners figure this AI stuff out. We're gonna laugh, we're gonna learn, we're gonna have fun. It's just gonna be awesome. Oh, check this out. Whenever I'm doing these live thingies, I use Ecamm Live, which is this that you're seeing here. But the reason I use it is because, look, I can come here and use this switcher to switch to the different scenes. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and put this on as my presentation, and I put that full screen. Look at this. I can press a button and switch, and it goes to my screen. Or it comes to me. It goes to my screen. It comes to me. It's gonna show if somebody's on Zoom. Nobody's on Zoom as yet. It can show me and the person that's on Zoom, and then it can come back to me. It just makes it so easy because Ecamm Live is awesome. Today, we are actually going to be talking about how to make AI actually know you, because there are so many of us that use AI and we go to AI and we ask it questions and we get it to give us information, but the AI doesn't know you enough to give you the value that you are looking for. We are just finishing up with our session. We've got all these amazing entrepreneurs from Sint Maarten in the room, and we just had a good time. Yeah, it looks, did y'all enjoy yourself? Do like some crazy waves or something. Yeah. Okay, sweet. They did enjoy themselves. It was great content. We spoke about how to set up your AI so it actually knows you and knows your business. And they got a lot of value. I got a lot of value just from being in the room with them. So they are awesome. Look at them one more time. Yeah, yeah. This is how we do it in St. Maarten. You see how beautiful St. Maarten people are? You see that? Listen, that's natural, natural beauty. So yeah, that was it. That's the end of a long day. But the workshop went amazing. Besides some technical glitches, Zoom was acting up. But once we got started, yeah, that felt good. I'm so thrilled that I get to be in a position where I can teach people things that can help them in their businesses. That's pretty much what I want to do. And to be able to do that for a group of people, and not just a group of people from my home island, that felt pretty special. Yeah, I'm grateful. All right, that's the end. Peace out. I don't know why I did this. I don't do that. What was that about? Anyhow.